Hi friends, if in your system Alt tab is not working, then in this video I'm going to tell you methods to fix this error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So the first method is restart the Windows Explorer. For that you have to go to the Task Manager and then scroll down to search Windows Explorer. Scroll down and you will find the option of Windows Processes. In Windows Processes, you have to scroll down and you will find Windows Explorer like this. Right click on it and click on restart. So this will restart the Windows Explorer. Once it get completely restart, you have to wait and just close the Task Manager and then check if Alt tab is working or not. Now the next method is go to the registry. For that, type regedit and it will open the registry editor. Then you have to go to this location. So first go to HKey current user, then go to software and then search for the Microsoft. Once you go into Microsoft, then scroll down and you have to search for Windows. Here it is Windows. In Windows you have to scroll down and search for the Explorer, and here you have to search for the option Alt tab setting. If Alt tab settings is not available, then you have to create one file with this name Alt tab settings. So we will create one file. Right click here and click on new, and it is a dword 32-bit file. Now type Alt tab settings, click on it and click on modify, and then just change this hexadecimal value to 1 from 0 and click on OK, and just close the registry editor and restart your system and check if Alt tab is working or not. And if you go to registry and found that Alt tab settings file is already there, then just you have to right click on it and delete it. Once you delete it, you have to just restart and check if you are still getting that Alt tab error or not. So last method is change advanced system setting. Search advanced system settings and open it. Then you have to go to the settings of the performance. Click on that button and then check this enable peak option should be tick. If it is not tick it, and then click on OK, and then after that check if Alt tab is working or not. So these are all the methods to fix this error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.